In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for Book Tracker. By the end, you'll have a clean, customizable tracker that helps you log what you're reading, what you want to read next, and how each book stacks up. Start in Notion with your workspace open. Look to the very top left and click the small drop-down arrow. This opens the main menu so you can quickly jump into Notion's resources without hunting through pages. From that menu, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's gallery where ready-made setups live, saving you the effort of building everything from scratch. If you land in the Marketplace view, make sure you're on the templates section there as well. That keeps the results focused on full-page templates, which is exactly what we want for a book tracker. Once you're in the right place, use the search bar and type book tracker. Give it a second to load the results. You'll see a variety of options, each with a short description and screenshots. Click the book tracker template that looks like a good fit for you. On the preview page, take a quick look at the layout and properties. A solid tracker usually includes fields like title, author, status, genre, and rating, plus optional dates for when you start and finish. If it looks right, click Add. This pulls the template into your workspace instantly so you can make it your own. Now, it's time to edit the template to match your reading style. Rename the page to something clear, like My Book Tracker. Open the database properties and tweak them as needed. For status, consider values like to read, reading, and finished. Add a format field if you switch between print, ebook, or audiobook, and a simple rating field helps you remember favorites later. If you like visuals, attach a cover image or icons for a bit of personality. Set up a couple of helpful views. A table view is great for fast data entry. A board view, grouped by status, makes it easy to see progress at a glance. You can also create a gallery view if you like book covers. Add simple filters like showing only reading or sorting by finish date to surface what matters most day to day. From here, logging is simple. Use the new button to add a book. Fill in the key details and update the status as you move through your reading. That's it. Your Notion book tracker is ready to go. Happy reading and enjoy staying organized with every page you turn.